Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah, Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. You can see here the key fob. I can operate both power sliding doors in the rear trunk hatch. Has a brand new side entry adaptive vans conversion. What I like about this conversion, they separated the door from the ramp. Like the big box doors like Braun, they're gonna tie them together. They're gonna make it super expensive to work on. You can only take it to the dealer. That means more money for them. That's not how we do it here with the adaptive conversion. If you have a problem with the door, you know it's a Chrysler issue. Has a little winch motor in here. We hold the down button, 28-inch wide ramp, 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 54 inches coming inside the van of headroom, and then about 56 once you're inside the van. It's carbon fiber floor here, real easy to clean if you get a mess on it. And check it out, we give you the upgraded Q-strength tie downs. Our competitors are gonna charge you $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge to you. Got your black leather seating back here. This interior is in immaculate condition. Headliner's in great shape. Got your rear air controls over there. It's even got the removable passenger seat. So let's say you want to pull up your wheelchair, park there. And it does have the tie downs up there, tie a wheelchair up front. You can move these tie downs up to the front there, but you could park here, slide over to the driver's seat. You're now 100% independent. You could drive yourself, transfer over there. You still have 3 seats in the back for any passengers. And also, if you could always sit in your wheelchair and have someone drive you, you could put your loved one up next to you. You can even get 2 wheelchairs, one in front, one here in the second row. Allows a lot of options, so that's awesome. That's an awesome option to have. Get your tie down and warranty information there. Plug in for all your electronics, dual climate control, rear air. The dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. And we can shut all of our power doors up here. I'm gonna shut this driver's side sliding door. What I like about this conversion, we got the firewall here. Okay, what this is for, it's for safety. You know, I've seen a lot of stories where someone will be in a wheelchair, they're gonna go too far, they'll roll out that side of the van, injure themselves very badly. It can be possibly even be life-threatening. So I like that safety feature there on the firewall as well. And one thing a lot of our customers do like about the side entry vans, we have room in back here for grocery storage, luggage. You know, if you're going on a trip, you have that extra storage. It's always a good thing to have. So shut this power trunk right here. You can also operate the conversion. We got the buttons up here inside. Right here on this pillar, hit the up button, hold it up so you can do it from the remote or right here inside the van. And when you get everybody secure, ready to roll, shut it down. Tinted windows, you got your super nice 18-inch black alloy wheels. We put four brand new tires. They're all brand new on this van, so you're good to go on tires. Do a walk around of the van here. It's super clean. It's, you know, for being 2019, you're not gonna find many vehicles nicer than this. I'm looking for little nicks or scratches in the van. Overall, very clean. And don't be fooled by the big box stores. They're gonna tell you, that you have to buy from them so they can service the vehicle all around the country for you. Those big box stores are gonna service these vehicles no matter what. They are owned by banks. They need all the revenue they can get. On top of that, these are very simple to work on. They have a little winch motor inside there. Your auto mechanic could service this vehicle. No need to take it to one of those expensive mobility dealers. Very simple, very affordable. So don't get scammed into spending $10,000 too much by them telling you you have to buy from us so we can service it. Simply not true. And speaking of saving you $10,000, I started this company 13 years ago with one goal in mind: produce the highest quality wheelchair vans in the country at the absolute lowest prices. How we do that? It's low overhead. I don't have a store over in in Cincinnati, one in Houston, one in Miami, one in Los Angeles. That means more overhead. That's why the big box stores like United Access and Mobility Works have to charge ridiculous amounts, $10,000 more than we do, because all of their overhead, all their inventory, all their employees. What we have here is one location. We do free shipping right in the middle of the country, so we can do free shipping any corner of the country. We do super detailed videos like you're watching right now, so you know exactly what you're getting. You save $10,000. We're able to help more customers. The only people that lose are corporate America, big box stores. That's just so too bad, isn't it? And no matter who you buy from, get a video of the VIN number inside the vehicle. The scammers on Facebook Marketplace are going to steal my pictures. They're going to cut out my sign up there. They're going to put this thing on the internet for $20,000. Try to get you to send them $2,000 deposit so they can hold it for you. They can't hold it for you. They don't even have it. How do you find out if someone has a vehicle? Get a video like this. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions, and of course I have this vehicle right here in my possession. That's why I'm making this video, this VIN number, to show you that. All right, what we do with that VIN number, we run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we purchase it. I highly recommend you do the same. Not only do we run a Carfax, we're the only dealer in the country that actually goes over the Carfax with you, shows you why I believe in this vehicle, why you can too. This one's simple. One owner, no accidents or damage, regular oil changes, last owned as a rental vehicle. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rentals. I would agree. If it's a sports car, I don't think too many people say, honey, grab the kids. We're going to rent a Chrysler Pacifica and take it to the races. It means highway miles. That's a good thing on a used vehicle. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And you can check this entire Carfax out on our website at no charge to you. Carfax shows no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents with regular oil changes. That's an A+ Carfax report. Never been structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. As we scroll down, you can follow the odometer has been all documented here. I like that. You can see this vehicle has been maintained meticulously. They've taken great care of this, so it speaks, like I said, A+ Carfax report. And no matter who you buy from, find them online. Check out their ratings and reviews. Find us on eBay. 1,718 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's why we have a 100% positive feedback rating, a reputation we worked very hard for and we're very proud of. And no matter who you buy from, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. That's one of the things scammers on Facebook Marketplace will also do. They'll create fake business pages, even get some cheap business cards to try and make you think they are legit. If you do not see a company on Google, they are not real. Do not send them a dime. That's a major red flag. And check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. I hear so many consumers, they tell me horror stories, how they bought from the general public or the low-end dealers and dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings. Even some of the low 4-star rated, they end up buying a vehicle as a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issues, engine, transmission, electrical. Now that buyer has thousands of dollars in repairs they're forced to do because they want to take a gamble on a big purchase like this. And boy, I hear this story far too often. A consumer, a buyer sends $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 for a vehicle. The vehicle never shows up and they get scammed out of their life savings. So if you want to take a risk on a big purchase like this, boy, good luck. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from the company that has the most 5-star Google reviews of any mobility dealership in the country, reach out to us. We're happy to help. Okay, back to the van. We do have the one key fob here. If you want us to get additional key fobs made on your dime, we sure can. It's got the remote start, so if you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van this time of year, or you want a nice heated up van in the winter time, you've got that option. Got the keyless entry. Nice clean interior. That's what I like about the rentals. They do not allow smoking. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors inside this van. But the black leather seating, power seat works great. One thing I like about this van is the push button start. So if the key is in your pocket or your purse, simply put your foot on the brake, push the start button, fires right up, and you can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. Got the heated driver's seat, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Boy, if you never had a heated steering wheel, it'll change your life. It's pretty awesome. So, let me get some of this not static so you can hear the radio working. Thought I was listening to the radio earlier on this thing. Let's get over here to radio. Works just fine. I've got 4 mechanics that work for me full time. We'll check all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. I'll show you this mirror working over here. Also, it's got the lane departure warning. You'll see on the test drive, see that little triangle there? If someone's in my blind spot, it lets me know. A great safety feature to have. I'm gonna show you this mirror over here on the passenger side working. We check the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, take the vehicles on a road test. Obviously, we check the tires because we put 4 brand new tires on the vehicle. Replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we don't just run these through the car wash and put them out for sale like most sellers do. Not only do I want you to know the exact vehicle that's showing up to your house or that you're coming in to see, this is my resume to you. I'm applying for a job. I'm applying to be your mobility dealer. I want you to take my resume. I want you to put up next to all the people out there with 5, 6, 7 lazy pictures, no Carfax, no video. Hey, if they're that lazy in the presentation of the vehicle, if it needed new tires, do you think they put them on there? If it needed an oil change, do you think they did it? Someone's presentation of the vehicle says a lot about them and the vehicle they're representing. That's why we're so thorough, and everything we do from start to finish, this is my resume. I want you to look at other people's and let me know who's earned the right to be your mobility dealer. Underneath the hood, we have a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage or leaks. And boy, you gotta struggle to even hear this thing running. It's so quiet, it sounds great. Underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No sign of any bent metal from an accident, no sign of any water oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any water damage from being in a flood, no signs of any rust from being up north. And that's the number one mistake consumers make when they're shopping for used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks nice in pictures, they assume because it has low miles, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or flood. That's the absolute most dangerous thing you can do. I frequently see brand new vehicles at auction that have flood damage. And what'll happen, these brand new dealers will take on a flood. They're gonna rush these vehicles to auction, dump them off to make them someone else's problem, all before that flood hits the Carfax. My point in telling you this is that can happen with a brand new vehicle. You better know what you're getting when you purchase a used vehicle. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I want you to check out their resume. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you thousands of reviews online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a free Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, never been in a flood? Do they bother getting down on their hands and knees on this hot pavement to show you front and back of the undercarriage so you can see no signs of crumpled up metal from an accident, no signs of any water damage from being in a flood? How about the rooftop, especially on these taller vehicles? You know how often I pop up here and I see a roof just crushed with hail damage. Or I see a big gash in the roof from someone pulling into a low overhang. If it's not leaking yet, it's gonna start soon, causing thousands of dollars in damage. But the sellers, they don't ever fix the roof because most people are too lazy to get up there and look. You know who's not? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility, that's you. And you better not be too lazy either, because the roof can get $10,000 or $15,000 to repair or replace real quick. So when it comes to price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please put our resume up next to anybody in the country and tell me who's earned the right to be your mobility dealer. And tell me, what happens if you end up buying a vehicle you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual? What happens when the vehicle won't pass inspection in your state because it's got damage from an accident or a flood? See, we took on a little scrape right here. We're gonna get that touched up. I'm sorry about that. We're gonna put some touch-up paint on it, but we absolutely 100% will get that taken care of, unless it's slipped by my detailer. But tell me, so what, to avoid all these issues, if you can't get a vehicle inspected, if it won't pass inspection in your state, you cannot drive it. You might as well park it in your front yard. So to avoid these issues and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. First of all, demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, this is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yeah, Carfax costs us a couple $1,000s a month, but we're happy to invest in our vehicles. Do not settle for a cheap knockoff. Like we say, show me the Carfax. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out the reputation and reviews. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed, and don't be afraid to ask for an ID. If they tell you their name is Jeremiah Coleman from Wichita, Kansas, their ID better say that, and I can promise you it does. Don't hesitate to ask. I'm more than happy to send you to my ID to show you that we are legitimate. We've got a storefront out here in Wichita, Kansas. I'm more than happy to prove we are who we say we are. And then finally, demand a warranty. We have a 3-year, 36,000 mile conversion warranty, good anywhere in the country. And we also give you $1,000 cash to use towards an extended warranty long term. We actually take money out of our own pocket, put it in yours to help you invest in a warranty long term. Talk to us about how we can affordably do so. Not only does this van have a backup camera, also has the parking sense. I got this car behind me. As I get closer to it, it's going to be louder and faster. So a great safety feature to have as well. So let's get her out for the test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vehicles out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you drive in or even fly into our Wichita, Kansas airport. We've done our due diligence, made sure it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Got the cruise control set. This thing runs and drives darn like a brand new vehicle. Very nice, very clean. I'm very happy with it. I know you will be as well. And as I mentioned, if you'd like to drive in or fly in, we do welcome that, but we do 100% require that you make an appointment. Okay, sorry about that. My phone decided to take an early lunch break, but I think we got the problem resolved. But like I was saying, please make sure you make an appointment with us 365 days a year. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. So many of these dealers, they show a real nice price online to try and get you to call to talk to their used car salesman. What they don't tell you is the $500 administrative fee, the document fee, tag fees, freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? free shipping, free Carfax reports, free upgraded tie downs, and $1,000 cash to use towards an extended warranty. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, the cost of a warranty, you know, for shipping, all that good stuff, that real nice price you saw online has now jumped $5,000, $6,000, even $7,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping, fees, Carfax, tie down before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me handle all that for you at no additional charge to you. Don't fall for all the sneaky used car dealer tricks. And going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp up here. You see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. All exactly what we're looking for. And back to those fees, hey, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money on you, you know, what else are they hiding from you? A salvage title, flood damage, major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, full transparency is 100% essential. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. Yeah, nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking. Like I said, no unusual brake noise or vibration. And if you'd like to give us a call or text, now text is by far the fastest way to get a hold of us. That way, anyone on our staff can see that text come through and respond to you as soon as possible. But call or text 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to reach out to call or text me. Now, I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner of the company. Or do you to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who now has your phone number, going to call and text you 10 times a day to try and pressure you into making a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there with poor customer service, and you want to avoid that used car salesman like the plague, give us that call or text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, we're going to sell this Chrysler whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We're more than happy to give you a call and take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country. Here's our blind spot monitor, by the way, all orange because this vehicle's in our blind spot. So I want to show you that blind spot monitor working. But yes, we do take trades even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how all that works. And if you would like to come in to see our entire inventory, we do welcome that. But like I mentioned earlier, we do 100% require an appointment 365 days a year. And why we do that? We do not employ a sales staff here. Sales staff means more overhead, means I have to raise my prices. I like beating the competition by $10,000 per vehicle. I bet you'll like that as well. And these used car salesmen, they know very little about mobility vehicles. All they care about is that commission check. That's not how we do it here. So give us a call, 30 to 60 seconds of your life. Call or text us. Let us know which vehicle or vehicles you'd like to look at. When you show up, we'll be organized, prepared, and sit you down for a consultation with a mobility professional, not a used car salesman. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but hey, this is a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed, one-of-a-kind videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, never any hidden bogus dealer fees, and dozens of pictures of every single vehicle so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough, transparent, and highly rated mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today. We really appreciate you checking us out and giving us a chance to earn your business. And I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.